Milk frother acting up? Weak steam? Funky smells? Or weird residue? Regular cleaning is the key to strong froth and safe operation. Here's how to clean the steam wand on your Ninja Luxe Premier quickly and properly. Step 1. Wipe the wand immediately after use. Use a damp cloth to wipe the wand while it's still warm, right after steaming. This prevents milk from baking on and becoming hard to remove. Step 2. Purge the wand with steam. After wiping, run the steam function for 2 to 3 seconds. This clears any milk trapped inside the nozzle and prevents clogs. Step 3. Deep clean with warm water soak. If you see dried milk buildup, soak the wand tip in warm soapy water for 5 to 10 minutes. Use a soft cloth or brush to gently scrub away residue. Step 4. Use a cleaning pin if included. Some models come with a pin tool to unclog the steam holes. With the machine off and cool, insert it gently into the nozzle to clear any hardened milk inside. Step 5. Wipe the base and frother connection points. Milk can drip down the wand and pool at the base. Keep this area dry and clean to avoid buildup or corrosion over time. How often should you clean it? Wipe and purge after every use. Do a full soak and scrub at least once a week, more often if you use it daily. Support and the full cleaning guide are linked in the description below if you need help. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching and enjoy your coffee.